Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be unboxing a BUSH cordless vacuum cleaner. Okay, the box itself is quite lightweight, so that is promising that the product inside will be lightweight to use and manoeuvre when vacuuming. So this vacuum cleaner on the box states it's got 45-minute running time. So let's start unboxing. Okay, got the instructions. That is the floor head. Nice and light. Combination nozzle. Charger. Wall bracket. Oh, that's nice. Extension tube. The crevice nozzle. Everything's lightweight. And this is the body. This is heavier. This is the heaviest part of the vacuum cleaner. Oh, that looks nice. It's well made. Strong plastic. I'm impressed. Very impressed. Let's have a look at the floor head. That's really well made. Great quality. So, fantastic. Everything is fantastic quality. Fantastic quality. I'm really impressed. Really impressed. Let's hope it delivers on performance. So that is the unboxing of the BUSH cordless vacuum cleaner. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.